Carmine Persico, also known as the Snake, was a prominent figure in the American Mafia, particularly within the Colombo crime family. Known for his cunning and astute leadership, Persico carved out a formidable reputation during his time at the helm. This video delves into the life and rise of Carmine Persico, exploring the factors that propelled him into power within the criminal underworld. Early life and connections. Carmine Persico was born on August 8, 1933, in Brooklyn, New York. Growing up in a predominantly Italian-American neighborhood, he became immersed in the organized crime scene from an early age. It is said that Carmine started engaging in criminal activities during his teenage years, running numbers and participating in small-scale street crimes. He eventually caught the attention of mob figures, notably Joseph Propaci, the founder of the Colombo crime family. Propaci recognized Persico's potential and took him under his wing, cementing the young gangster's rise to power. The Propaci-Colombo connection. Under Joseph Propaci's tutelage, Persico honed his skills and gradually established himself as a reliable and ruthless enforcer within the ranks of the Colombo family. As Propaci's trusted protégé, Carmine was involved in various illicit activities, including extortion, loan sharking, and labor racketeering. His involvement in these criminal enterprises not only built his reputation but also amassed considerable wealth and power within the organization. The Bananas War. Carmine Persico's ascent to the top of the Colombo crime family was partly fueled by a power struggle within the organization. In the early 1960s, the family became embroiled in a violent internal conflict that would later be known as the Bananas War. The war erupted between the factions loyal to Joseph Propaci and those vying for control. Amidst this turmoil, Carmine Persico emerged as a key negotiator and arbitrator, skillfully playing both sides against each other. He successfully maneuvered his way through this internal strife, ultimately securing his place as the family's acting boss. The Persico era. After Joseph Propaci's death in 1962, Persico officially became the boss of the Colombo crime family. Over the next few decades, his leadership brought a degree of stability and prosperity to the family. Under his regime, the Colombo family expanded its criminal enterprises, embracing drug trafficking, gambling, and operating legitimate businesses as fronts for money laundering operations. Persico's rule and incarceration. While Carmine Persico enjoyed a prolonged period of control, his reign was also marked by intense law enforcement scrutiny. Numerous indictments and convictions punctuated his leadership, often resulting in his temporary incarceration. Persistent legal battles and accusations of murder earned him a lengthy prison sentence. Despite being behind bars, Persico continued to exert influence over the Colombo family from within the prison walls, demonstrating his lasting control over the criminal organization. His manipulation of the family's affairs testified to his powerful sway and the respect he commanded even while serving time. Conclusion. Carmine Persico's rise into power within the Colombo crime family was a testament to his charismatic leadership, strategic intelligence, and unwavering determination. Throughout his criminal career, Persico navigated the treacherous underworld landscape, flexing his influence and establishing himself as a force to be reckoned with. Whether admired or condemned, Carmine Persico left an indelible mark on the American Mafia. His legacy is one that exemplifies the complex web of power, violence, and ambition that characterizes organized crime.